Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and we're going to get started right away today on our second part of 10.1. We're going to talk about stem and leaf plats. We'll see if we can make today's video even shorter than yesterday's. Alright, so yesterday we talked about line plats and marking frequency. Stem and leaf plats, you can also get to organize and display data to compare frequencies as well. It just looks a little different. So here's the start of a stem and leaf plat. We've got the stem on the left and the leaf on the bottom. The stem is always the tens and the hundreds and the thousands and so on places. The leaf always represents only the ones digit, okay? So let's take a look at our problem here. It says Sam got his friends to do a long jump and got these results. So those are the results of a long jump. So 2.3, 2.5, 2.5, 2.7, and so on, all the way to 5. The first thing you're going to want to do with stem and leaf plots is make sure that your data is in sequence there. Okay, so from least to greatest, it makes it easier when you're actually making your stem and leaf plot. So we have 2.3, 2.5, 2.5, 2.7, 2.8. So I do not need to actually write those numbers down. I just need to write down the tenths place, because if you look at our stem, I already have this 2 right there. Okay, so we're going to go to see, what is it, 3, 5, 7, 8. Now notice I didn't put a decimal point. I didn't put commas. I just put spaces. So that's how you do a stem and leaf plot. Our next one is 3.2, 3.6, 3.6. So 2, 6, 6. Moving on to the 4s, it's just a 5. And then the 5 was just a 0. Now the last thing you want to do when you do a stem and leaf plot is make sure you have a little key down there. So a stem with the 2 and a leaf with the 3 for this one means 2.3 or 2 3/10. Now, just so we know, the that line is not mean decimal point. In this problem, it does, but a lot of times the stem is going to be your tens and the leaf is going to be your ones. So it just kind of depends on the data that you're given. All right, that completes our lesson for today. Make sure to let me know if you have any questions on Schoology. You do have a iExcel that you need to complete, so work on that. And you guys have a fantastic, nice, long weekend. Bye.